Let's make a Kraken Manhattan. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make a Manhattan using the Kraken Black Spiced Rum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I'm glad you're here and I hope you enjoy the show. Way back when I first started exploring cocktails I could make without Coca-Cola, I had a Manhattan at a bar and I loved it. And I thought to myself, well, I'm a rum drinker. I wonder if you can make a Manhattan using rum. So I looked it up online, and yes, indeed you can. It's called a Cuban Manhattan. And for some reason, I got it into my head that I was going to make the perfect Cuban Manhattan using a spiced rum. I don't know where this idea came from. So I started exploring spiced rum, and the Kraken is one of those spiced rums that I found. I tried it in Manhattan, and I liked it. Don't be so surprised. And that's where this drink came from, the Kraken Manhattan. A note on the rum. If you're going to make a Kraken Manhattan, you really have to use the Kraken Black Spiced Rum. They do have a couple different varieties, so if you want to mix those in instead of using the 94 proof variety, feel free to do so. But if you want to make it using another spiced rum, feel free to do that as well. However, at this point, it's no longer a Kraken Manhattan. To make this drink, I am going to start with the Kraken Rum. This is 94 proof, so this is going to be a strong cocktail. I'm going to put 45 milliliters, or an ounce and a half, into my stirring glass. Or mixing glass, whatever you want to call it. Then half an ounce of sweet vermouth. And in this case, I'm using Carpano Antica. This is my preferred vermouth for this drink. If you want to try another one, feel free to do so. Let me know how it turns out. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Then 5 drops of Bitter Cube's Cherry Bark Vanilla Bitters. 5 drops is 5 drops. Add your ice and give it a stir. Now, I am going to get a fancy ice cube. And here's one of my Skull ice cubes. Thank you, Will. I am going to serve this one on the ice, on the rocks. Don't know if we can call it up without it being, it's not up, it's on the rocks, never mind. I'm going to strain that over the ice. And then the garnish, 1 Luxardo cherry. And there you have it, Kraken Manhattan. Drink with good spirits. I know some of you out there don't consider spiced rum a real rum. Are you one of those people? If so, why or why not? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts available. If you want one, contact me through one of the social media links down below and we'll make sure you get one. And while you're there, might as well follow me on those social media links. And since you made it this far, give this video a like and subscribe if you enjoy what I'm doing here. Until next time, cheers.